National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Independence County in north-central Arkansas, northeastern Jackson County in eastern Arkansas, until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Newark, or 13 miles east of Batesville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Tuckerman, Newark, Swifton, Grubbs, Dowdy, Kenyon, Elgin, Cord. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following county: Jackson, Arkansas,